What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be going through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, kind of give you my thought process, the levels I'm watching, how I will manage my trade personally. But as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First stock I'm watching, Amazon, ticker AMZN. Very popular stock among day traders. I got Fibonacci pulled up, got a clear trend line on the weekly time frame here. So let me walk you through my thought process, how I'm going to handle this trade. I'll be looking to enter this above that 134.6, that 135 area for a possible day trade. First price target of 137.6. And above that, I believe we do have room to that 140 area. Keep in mind, we do have this trend line on the weekly time frame. So once we get above that, and we break above that 145, we do have some room. That being said, I'm sure I'll be out of this trade by the time that happens. I don't expect that to happen in one day either, but I have been surprised before, so we'll just manage our trade accordingly. Second stock I'm watching, Tesla, ticker TSLA. Simply watching above that 303.8, 304 area for some calls. I believe we break that. I believe we do have room up to 310.6. Above that, we have quite a bit of room actually. I could probably fine tune us some resistance. I think Jaden may still be in a swing trade on this. I'm not for sure. I know he was at one point last week. They did really well. But above that, 320 would be my next ideal price target. I do expect to fill this gap on the fib up to 335 in the near future. You know, that would be ideal. It doesn't always work like that. If it fell at that level, I would simply get out of it. All the stocks on my watch list this week for me will be day trades only. I would say Amazon is probably my favorite for a swing trade if I was going to swing trade one. If I do decide to, I will post it inside Team Bull, inside my channel, and what call options I will use. I like Apple, ticker AAPL. I like it above this 160 area for calls. Yeah, there's a lot of breakout trades I'm watching this week, but we're just kind of in the area where I don't see many bounces that I like. I think that we're going to continue on with strength, and I want to be watching these breakout trades. Keep in mind, I want to clarify on this. People ask me, breakout trades, they burn, they make me lose money. I get in these and they reverse. If I'm in a breakout trade and it reverses, I simply watch my 9 EMA on my 5-minute time frame. If this is a scalp or day trade, a lot of times it will pull back to that 9 EMA before it continues on. But if I fail that 9 EMA, it's time to get out of that trade for a very small loss on breakout trades. Keep in mind as well, when I trade breakout trades, I trade usually half, if not less, than my full position size. Because breakout trades are higher risk because you're breaking through resistance. They have to be quite a bit of buyers that are push it up past that wall of sellers. Just keep that in mind. I have a very short watch list this week. I'm trying to, keep it simple for you all. No point trying to watch 10 to 12 stocks every week. You're going to get too confused. And if you're a beginning trader, when you're day trading, keep it simple as well. If you're watching more than 3 stocks as a new day trader, you're doing too much. You're going to get confused. Keep it simple. I had a lot of people message me this weekend. I let people ask questions on my Instagram story, and they said, how do you manage emotions? How do you keep your emotions out of a trade? And I've noticed a lot of times, new traders come into this, the ones that have the money, they come in, try to trade huge position size. That's definitely not what you want to do as a new trader. You come into this, you trade with a position size that you're comfortable with and that you can keep emotions out of. The bigger the position size, 9 times out of 10, the more emotions that are involved with the trade. But this is the top 3 stocks I'm watching this week. As always, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will be calling out my entries to these inside Team Bull. If you want to join Team Bull, you can go to grizzlytrades.com, or you can simply click the link in the description. Join Team Bull. Doesn't take just a minute to sign up. One more thing before we go. If you're not watching my Instagram live every morning, it's where we find our day trading levels, come up with our game plan for the day. You're really hurting yourself. So much value there. It's a good atmosphere. People come vibe. Family environment. But that's all I have for you. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.